My dear viewers, welcome back. In this video, we are going to study the lesson number 15 of EVS grade 3, that is communicating through letters. If you want the lesson number 1 to lesson number 14 explanation, I have put it in the description box. You can refer from there. In this lesson, we will know about the signs and acting, speak, but not using the language, and we will understand the method of communication by means of letters and the activities of the post office. See here children, one picture is there. What can you observe in this picture? In this picture you can see the children are sitting and seeing the cricket match, right? A day in the summer holidays, some children had gathered in Sanjay's home to watch the cricket match on the TV, okay? And it was very exciting match. Rahul Dravid was batting. Who is Rahul Dravid? He is a Indian cricketer. And Harbhajan Singh was bowling. He is also Indian cricketer, Indian bowler. So Rahul Dravid hit the ball crossed the boundary line. So all the children are excited and they clapped their hands with happiness. Little Sanjay saw the sign given by the umpire. See children, in the cricket, if the ball crosses the boundary, if the cricketer will get out, or if the ball will go six, how do you get to know? The umpire, which is standing and observing the match, will give the signs without speaking, right? By the actions he give the signs. From that signs which was made by his hands, all the people will understand what he is telling, right? So see here, Sanjay is asking, brother Sunil, why has the umpire raised both of his hand? So Sunil is answering that the ball was hit out of the boundary line, so the umpire is indicating that it was 6 runs by moving his hands up. Okay, so Sanjay is telling he could have said by words. So Uma is telling, in that such a big and noisy ground, nothing can be heard. So it is easy to show the signs. By seeing the signs, everyone can understand what he is telling. So Lucy is telling, yesterday they had been to hotel for dinner, and there she saw the people asking chapatis, rice, etc using the signs, and it was very interesting to watch. Okay, so Salman is telling, yes, signs are very useful in places where language is not known and where there is a very noisy place which from where the peoples are far away. Okay, so here you have to do an activity. You have to converse with your friends by using signs and without speaking. Okay, and you have to try to convey these activities by using signs: calling, writing, singing, eating, drinking, asking to bring things, want or don't want, up and down, here and there, drinking. All these you can show by using the signs, right? So you can use the signs and tell your friends and say the meaning of these signs. By the action of your hands, you can act and say many things to your friends, right? And children, have you watched a cricket match or a football match? If you have watched, you know about the signs which the umpire will do, right? So you have to introduce 2 signs to your friends which are used in these matches. For example, in the cricket, if one hand is raised with the index finger, that is out. If 2 hands are raised with the help of index finger, that is 6. So all these signs you have to introduce with your friends. Okay, next, here one small song is there. We will sing. No language, no place, know the signs. There may be distance or noise, use the signs. So you can use the signs where there will be noise and where you cannot talk. Okay, so Ramesh is telling, oh, what a wonderful century it was by Dravid. So Rahul Dravid have hit the 100 runs. So Ramesh is telling it was a wonderful century. So Karuna is telling, I like Dravid very much. So Sunil is telling, I too like the Dravid. So let us write a letter to congratulate him, and he telling him that he have hit a century. So all all the children said, yes, it is a good idea. So Karuna said, I will write the letter. Tell me what I should write. So Uma said, well, your handwriting is good. You only write the letter. So Karuna says, friends, does anybody have postcard? See children, if you want to write a letter, first what do you need? You need a postcard, right? Yes. So Rita says, yes, I have in my home. I will bring it now. Let us write during the lunch break. So they are taking the lunch break for the cricket and they are writing the letter. Sunil says, Karuna, start writing the letter. I will tell you what to write. So see here, they have all the children of class 3 have written the letter to the Dravid. First they have written place and date at the right side of the letter, and then they have written, dear brother Rahul Dravid, we are studying in class 3. We all like you. Your batting is wonderful. It is great pleasure to congratulate you on hitting a century. You are lovingly students of class 3 and their names. So all the children together have written a letter to the Rahul Dravid and it is ready to go. See, Sanjay says, do you know the address of Dravid? See children, now the letter is ready to go to the Dravid, but we have to write the address of him to send him, right? So Sanjay is asking, do you know the address of Dravid? So Salman says, yes, it is with my father. I will bring it. So Karuna asks their friend that, shall I write the address here? So they write the address here. Uma says, write our address here. Rita says, look here, the letter is ready. Now we have to send this to Dravid. How should we send this? So Sunil says, let us put this in the post box. Okay, Karuna says, yes. Okay, if we will put it in the post box, how will it reach Dravid? So Salman is saying the post office is very near. The post box is also there. So we shall go to the post office and we have to put this letter in the post box. Then we shall ask the postman that how do the letter reaches Dravid. Now all the children have written the letter and they want to post it, but they want to know how does this letter will reach to the Dravid. So all the children went toward the post office making the noise to know about how does it reaches Dravid. Okay, Uma says, Karuna, put the letter into the post office. Now the letter is ready to put in the post office. So Karuna put it into the post office. Okay. See, Sunil says, hey, see there, someone is taking the letters from the post box. So let us ask him why is he taking this letter, and let us ask him also about the letter which we have written to the Dravid, that it will reach or not. So all the children will ask to the postman. So the postman is telling, don't worry, I am the postman. People put letters in the post box every day and postman carry letters to the post office and he will give this inside the post office. So the postman is calling all the children to come inside the post office and see how do they work there. Okay, so see, postman is showing, see, this is Dravid's letter. Now it is going to be sealed, and these letters which are sealed will be sent to Bengaluru by train, and in Bengaluru these letters will be carried to the other post office, and in the post office they are sorted out on the basis of their addresses. What are all the addresses are there? By that they will sort out, and the postman will collect the letters and they will distribute to their concerned houses to the respective area. Okay. Now Sunil is asking, uncle, when will it reach Dravid? Now the letter which they have written, when does this letter will reach the Dravid? So postman is saying it will take 3 days. So it will take 3 days to reach this letter to Dravid. Sanjay is telling, oh, won't it reach by tomorrow? If we want to send this letter tomorrow, what can we do? So postman is telling, if we want to send the letter quickly, we have speed post facility. By the speed post facility, the letter will be sent by an aeroplane, but it is costly. Okay, and apart from the post office, some other organizations will also provide speed service, that is called courier service. Okay, so Rita says, oh, a few days ago my grandmother sent me money for my birthday through the post. So the postman says, yes, it is called money order. If we send money by the postal service, it is called money order. And if you want to send the other things like books, etc., it is called parcel. So Sunil is telling, uncle, will it reach Dravid in 3 days? Postman is still telling, yes, children, don't worry. Karuna is telling, okay, now lunch break is over. Let us go to watch the match. All the children will run out of the post office making noise and sat in front of the TV to watch the match. Okay. Now tell me, children, why do people write letters? People write letters to communicate with the people who are away from us. Have you ever written a letter to anybody? If yes, whom and why? Children, you have to say, have you ever written a letter to anybody? If yes, to whom you have written and why you have written. Here one activity is there. We have to write a letter to your friend, grandfather, grandmother, or your favorite person. Okay, and one more thing is there, you have to visit the post office of your place and put that letter which you have written into the post box. Then you have to go inside the post office and you have to see what are the works they are doing there. Okay, and you have to write here about the post office that you have visited. Okay, next, observe the pictures that represent the sending letters. Put correct serial numbers to these pictures. See the example given. See, children, we have already known now what are all the things to do to send the letter. Now here we have to put the numbers, serial numbers from starting from the first thing to the last thing. See, first is a girl is writing the letter, then she have to put it in the post box, then after postman will come and collect the letters, then in the post office they will put the seal, and then that letters will be sent through the bus or the plane, and then postman will give that to the person. Okay, here one activity is there, you have to do this by yourself. And tell me, children, what will happen if the postal stamp is not fixed? If you will not put the postal stamp, your letter will not be sent. So before sending, you have to put the post stamp. Okay, this is all about your lesson number 15, communicating through letters. Okay, if you want the further lessons, you can subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.